Hello guys, welcome to the brand new episode of our new channel, Aesthetics of History. As the name suggests, this is going to be a highly intense history channel where you can delve deep into any branches of history and historical monuments, famous personalities, events and much more. In the first episode, we are going to show you our highly rare, diverse coin collections that we have. Today, we are going to talk about some beautiful Swedish coins. Look at this. This is a copper nickel 50O coin of 1984 during the time of Charles 16 Gustav. As we talk about specifics, it weighs 4.5 gram and thickness is around 1.61 mm and diameter of 22 mm. As we observe it, crown Charles 16 Gustav monogram, divide, date at sides. On the reverse is the figure 50. Above the figure is the text Severin and below is the text O. When we talk about any coins during the time from 1973 in Sweden, we can't forget the name Carl 16 Gustav. He ascended the throne on the death of his grandfather, King Gustav VI Adolf, on 15 September 1973. This is a 5 krona coin of 1994. As we talk about the specifics, it weighs of 9.6 gram and diameter of 28.5 mm and thickness is 2 mm. As we observe it, same as before, crown monogram of Charles 16 Gustav. Above, around the rim, legend and date. On the reverse, big value with 2 asterisk at side of 5. It is a beautiful 10 krona coin of 1993. It weighs of around 6.67 gram and diameter of 20.46 mm. Thickness is 2.94 mm. When we look at it, portrait of Charles 16 Gustav facing left, surrounded by lettering, Martin Neuer, the engraver initials below head. On the reverse, date below the 3 crowns of Sweden, superimposed by the value, divides Mint's official mark at left and the first letter in the surname of the governor of Riksbank at the right. This is a 1 krona coin of 1972 with Gustav VI Adolf engraved on it. It's composed of copper nickel plated copper, weights of 7 gram and diameter 25 mm. Thickness is 1.84 mm. As we observe it, stylized portrait of king facing left, below the master's initials. On the reverse, crown coat of arms divides date and value. Below, around him, the king's motto. The introduction of krona was a result of Scandinavian Monetary Union, which came to the effect in 1876 and lasted until the beginning of First World War. The parties to the union were Scandinavian countries, where the name was krona in Sweden and kron in Denmark and Norway, which in English literally means crown. So that's it. This is the first episode of a whole coin collection and a lot more to come. Stay tuned. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.